Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. Today's video is going to be very easygoing because we are in quarantine, we are locked into our house, and this is a perfect time for us to spruce up our homes and the spaces that we're going to use the most. Here in our house, we're spending a lot of time here in the patio, having a wine glass at the evening time or just having breakfast here on the table. So I want to share with you guys a small transformation and all of the things that I purchased and that I did to get this patio ready for quarantine. So keep watching. Alright everyone, so I have these floral arrangements that I made with all of these white flowers. However, because it is a silk arrangement, you can see through the container. So what I have done is I have this plant, this faux plant that I bought at Goodwill a few years ago. So I just cut some of these foliages, and what I'm going to do is first of all get a really good wipe to remove all of the dirt from the leaves so they can really shine and look more natural. So basically just take all of the dirt. This plant was sitting outside and I paid a Goodwill about $6 for it. Well, now it's going to be really beneficial because what we're going to do is we're going to wrap them around like this, drop this inside like that. This is something we would do in the fresh floral shop where I work. And what you're seeing is just covering some of those mechanics right here, and that's going to allow to not be able to see the stems from your flowers. Now I recommend if you see a plant like this at Goodwill, go ahead and get it because you can always use the foliage. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of my really pretty pearl hydrangeas. I'm going to start with this one right here. And then I'm gonna try and insert the longest ones first and crisscross them like this so they serve as a frog. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add this guy right here, and I'm gonna do the opposite on the other side like this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and insert one right in the middle to kind of finish like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and insert these hydrangeas. They're very short stems, so I'm basically just gonna make them sit right there on the top, like this. And I have a few of these white flowers that are smaller blooms, so I just go ahead and insert that in between flowers to give it a little bit of texture. I have this other one right here, I'm gonna add that one on the top, like this. And I have a few of this greenery, so I'm gonna add one on the top, and this one, the little, came off, the little stem. And I'm just gonna add that right there. Just like that, you have a more natural looking floral arrangement. Well, since we are gonna be spending a lot of time in the patio, I decided to freshen it up a little bit. So I'm on my way to get some dirt and some clay pots so I can replant some of those plants and make it look all pretty. So it's going to be more green and enjoyable. So stay tuned, let's go shopping. Let's go. So they have these clay pots right here. They're about $5. I think I'm gonna take a few for my ferns. Alright you guys, so I just got back from the store where I got all of this dirt for $10, and I got these really cool terracotta pots to go with the rest of our patio in the back. So I'm gonna go replant some of the ferns and some of the palms, and I will show you what it looks like. God, I'm out of here. Alright, so I have this fern that I almost killed because I do not have a green thumb, but it's been sitting on that plastic container. So this is like the perfect size for this. So basically what I want to do is I want to raise it up a little bit. So I'm gonna surgically open this container of dirt, and it smells really, really bad. But it's all for the beauty of the patio. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some dirt. Oh, not my sunglasses. Some dirt down here to kind of raise it up a little bit. What I like about this dirt is because it's organic and it really is going to help our plants grow in a faster. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab my fern and I'm just gonna start filling in. Just spin it around a little bit. And then I'm gonna put more dirt. Oh, I cannot wait till she starts to spin her roots. I cannot believe I almost killed this fern a few months back. I actually almost pitched it because I didn't really think she was gonna come back alive. And I learned that ferns like to be in water, so you can never overwater ferns, especially here in California because it is warm. And even though she's in the shade, she likes to drink a lot of water. So when you have plants like this, they are shade plants and tropical, they really need a lot of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to fill in right here. Then after I fill in right here with the dirt, I'm gonna go ahead and give her some water to drink, to soak in all of that new dirt from this. And you don't want to pack it because you want the water to be able to go all the way down to the roots. So basically very loosely, like that. Then what I'm going to do, I have this bucket right here with water that I've been collecting from the rain. I'm gonna go ahead and put some dirt and let it. All right, that's plant number 1. 3 more to go, stay tuned. All right, you guys, so for this one right here, this is a palm that I almost killed once again, but I feel so bad I couldn't just part with it. So basically with this one, what I'm gonna do, I wanna get rid of all of that old dirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all of this right here. And I'm gonna make 2 out of 1. So what you wanna do is you wanna dig in between. If you can see right here, let me go ahead and get that out. Right here, there's actually 2 palms right here. So if I split them, they're gonna do better than if I stay together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tear them apart. But of course we have to get rid of some of this dirt because it's really holding them together like this. This baby one could be another one. And so basically we're gonna put all these roots right here and bury them with the soil once again to allow them to keep growing. And remember not to pack it. You wanna make sure that you let enough space for the water to go in, like this. Sure that it's standing straight. And as you guys can see, all this new growth, it really does need space to grow. So that's what we're gonna give her, some space to continue to develop. And this is a perfect time because it is just spring and it is beautiful outside. So shake it like a little bit like this to make sure the dirt goes between the roots and then hang on to it like that. I'm gonna stop right there. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of water from up here to soak all this soil and refreshen all of those roots. Voila. This is gonna get really pretty because it's gonna expand. The reason why these ones are brown is because they were pushed towards the bucket. They were not allowed to breathe. And so now look, all this beautiful new growth. She's gonna thrive like no other. Okay. And we're done. All right, so I have made a few of these arrangements to match, and I'm gonna set them both here in the dining table and on my coffee table. And that's gonna add a little touch of elegance, and I absolutely love the way this looks. What do you guys think? All right, well, as many of you know, I'm a little bit of pillow crazy, and I do have quite a large stash of pillows. And for this particular occasion, I'm gonna bring my yellow pillows because it is spring, and to me, yellow is very indicative of spring. And I also love the color combination with the white flowers and the terracotta pots. It's very, very spring-like. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really easy going, and I really had a lot of fun showing you guys the things that we're working around the house to just be comfortable during this quarantine that we're mandated. I really hope that you are having an easy time, and I cannot wait to read your comments. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what room in your house are you spending the most time while quarantined. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and I cannot wait to share more ideas with you, so stay tuned. Thank you, and until next time, bye.